Hello, I'm Laura. I'm a third year Interpol student and I want to be your student support officer. Here are some of the things that I'll do if you elect me. The first thing I'm going to do when it comes to housing is continue the marvellous campaign that happened this year of Don't Panic, because it's better to take positive action to help us solve this accommodation crisis. The second thing I want to do regarding housing is publicise the services that are available to you from the council. Now, there's a HMO office that sits in the council. If you're having any trouble with your landlord or anything like with mould and they're not coming and clearing it up, you can contact them and they can intervene. I will make this service more available to you. There are 107 empty properties in Aberystwyth. If you elect me, I will be able to sit on the council and landlord steering group so we can try and fill these properties with students. Now, mental health is the second item on my agenda. We've already been doing a lot of work with Mind Aberystwyth, whose building we're outside now, all this year, setting up mental health clinics so they can send up advisors to talk to you about mental health concerns. Now, if you elect me, I will ensure that these clinics continue. The second thing I want to do regarding mental health is to continue campaigning for a mental health advisor. The campaign was started this year and I think it's essential that we do eventually get one. Now, the third point on my manifesto is linking up support. What I want to do is make you aware of the support that's available to you within the university and the town. Now, the first thing I'm going to do is create a large diagram which will be in the form of a leaflet that will be readily available to everyone. It will list all the different areas where you may have concerns and all the areas where you can get help with them. Now, the second thing I want to do, and the most important, is for us to create an app. Now, I've done a lot of research into other universities such as Cardiff and Leeds Metropolitan, and they have taken this step and consolidated all the information down. Cardiff, for example, has a complete student support app. I'd like us to do this. It could even branch out into other union services. The biggest message of all is that I will be there for you no matter where you are, whether you're on Penglai's campus, or Llanbadarn campus, or Old College, or the art department, or whether you're out in Plasgo Gethan.